Why, hello, and welcome to my show. I'm your host, Serena, and this is Artful Things. Let's get started. Hey, everybody. Today's video is short but sweet. It's a tutorial on how I make my brown paper bags art junk journals. I wanted to do a standalone video because I plan on making quite a few brown paper bag journals with this format, different themes. I'm a gamer, I love cartoons, movies, animations, and all that. So I hope this inspires you and you get out your brown paper bags. We're going to cut them up, and it's a great scrap buster too. Welcome to my brown paper bag Artsy junk journal. This is a short tutorial on how I actually create the journal using a ordinary brown paper bag from the grocery store. Here's my bone folder, my friskers. Recently I had to retire the little guy. Got a new one, but it's nice to see him. I decided to make a separate tutorial just on how I make this because I do plan on making quite a few themes. I'm a gamer and I love anime and movies and all that. So I probably be making quite a few. On my first video, I actually did show how this was made, but I thought I'll just do a standalone and you get to see how this is done. All right, you saw how I tore off the handles. I believe now I'm going to cut right along where the bottom of the bag is. It's basically kind of cutting the bag in half, but you just follow that natural guideline and everything should be fine. Everything should be fine. And there we go. Okay. The top half of that I will be using for the pages. We're going to use every bit of this brown paper bag. Not that I'm a big enthusiast on recycling, but at least I can say I used the whole bag. All right. I'm going to cut the sides and they will represent either a small journal that's going to go with this or maybe inserts inside. This project is the best scrap buster in the world. You can use all of your decorative paper with a theme, fabric, sewing machine. The sky is the limit. Again, I wanted to do this standalone tutorial because right after this video, well, the next video I'll come out with, we're going to do a craft with me. And I'm going to take this and you're going to see how my little decorating process and what you can do just to inspire you. All right, so that's the bottom half of the brown paper bag. Now, this part is not that complicated, so if you need to, you can always stop and pause and rewind it, but I'm going to do a fold, and and I'm going with the natural crease here in just a second. Right now I'm showing you this will probably become small little tiny journals within this art book. It's really cute. And it's all done. Yeah, I will be cutting down the sides, and those will be the pages, and then also it will create a couple more little tiny little journals that goes with this, because by the time I decorate and add pages, there's no place to really write. Okay, here's that fold I was telling you about. And again, just go ahead and pause it if you need to. But you do it like that and take your bone folder. It's really cool. Creates little pockets. Ta-da! Yeah. There's a scene that I have everything all cut out. You get to see everything what I'm talking about. But yeah, so you get little side pockets, pockets in the front, side pockets. It's so cool. Well, and that is that. The sky's the limit, but that is how the basic is done. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, short but sweet. The next one, again, is going to be like a craft with me. I'm going to take this and we're going to decorate, doll it all up. Until then, I love YouTube.